As a content creator, there are certain apps you need to master. Yes, you need to master these apps. One of these apps you need to master is called CapCut. CapCut is editing apps that people use in editing videos, in shorts. There are many apps. Now, as a content creator, it's very important that you know how to do editing on your own. Even if you want to outsource, I do encourage people get the knowledge for yourself so that when you hire someone to do it for you, you know when they are doing the best and when they are not. There are small things you can do on your own, and there are things you should outsource. That's true. But while you are starting content creation, outsourcing is not the best advice. That is it. Until when you become a big brand and you start having enough money to pay others, fine. But while you are starting, why don't you learn it? Why don't you learn how to edit this? And if you would like me to teach you, then I could also teach you. So that's what you need to do, is to follow me, subscribe to my channels, because if I bring up this, you can also learn. So as a content creator listening, go and master CapCut. Even if you don't know any about any other, okay, master CapCut, master Canva. You see these two? Go and master CapCut, master Canva, and see as you can start from those two first. Those two. If you can master those two, then it will be the best thing for you. As an upcoming content creator, go and spend time, master these apps, learn it step by step, and do it. Then you are going to be among the best set of people who are going to deliver content. Content. If you know you've gotten value, please like, share, and comment. I love it so much. Share it so that others can have access to it. See, when you like, you make me feel that I'm actually giving out value. So please like. And it takes you nothing, just like, share, and comment. Okay? I really appreciate that a whole lot.